We all love watching videos and listening to music through YouTube. However, did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and be paid every day? I'll now show you the very first website. The first step that you want to use is current. As you can see here, and then you'll be paid for playing music. Keep watching as I'll show you a real life example of how to accomplish this, including how to play a song, which music to play, and some ideas to help you generate more money. Make sure not to miss out on the important details. As you can see here, guys, when you go on to their main website, which is current.us, you're going to see here, I want to earn rewards while I'm running, or while you're working, or whatever it is you're doing. And you can still play the music as a background, and then boom, you are earning. As you can see, this app is now accessible on both the Apple Store as well as the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. So real quick, let me show you. This is the application's logo. Make sure that you download the correct ones to earn money. This is now available on the Google Play Store, then on iOS directly on the App Store. You can get the same application on your iPhone as well. Now, you may listen to music online or even when you're not connected to the internet. This is quite helpful since you don't have to pay anything to begin using this application. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. This is completely free and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can then exchange for cash. Now that you have downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you'll proceed to the YouTube Music radio station. Next, when you go to your account, you'll see something similar to this. Now keep your eyes fixed and do not miss out on anything, since this is the only one of the ways of generating money while playing music. And this could help you pay those bills. I'll also be giving tips for you to triple those earnings. This is now YouTube Music homepage, as you can see here. If you scroll down, you will notice that there is a bunch of music, playlists, and artists to choose from, as well as a lot of suggested music. When you combine YouTube Music with the current website, you can generate profit on complete autopilot. And I'll show you exactly how in an instant. I want to give you an example of my own. Now this is one of the playlists that is very focused on allowing me to play these. If you notice, there is a lot of music queued up and I can add it to these playlists. And once this music is finished playing, for example, this one that's currently playing, and once it's finished, you can automatically go on to the next music and so on. And they will automatically play all the music right here. And then you'll get paid for every single song. When you're able to look at the playlists, as you can see here, when I glide my mouse over this icon, in the bottom right of the screen, down to the last, they will automatically jump to the next song and you can make money out of it all over again. I can also switch on the rewind button, which means that once this playlist has finished playing from the first secret. First, make sure you have queued up a lot of music. Queue as much as you can. This way, you will be able to generate more and more money. The second secret is that the second piece of advice I can give you is to go to the homepage and look at the hot list. When you click on the hot list, you will be sent to a page with more high quality and suggested videos, as well as new music videos to view again. Now again, I strongly advise you to choose one of these movies because they will pay you more money than the present one. However, keep in mind that YouTube will not pay you the money. However, this website is the one that will pay you money to sync when you can synchronize your YouTube music with this app so that when you play music on YouTube, you will get paid. Right now, as you can see here, I have 3 music players running the number 1. What is number 1 and then the number 2 playlists? And number 3, right, this is where the magic happens again and again. This is another bonus step that I will give you. It is that you can open up multiple tabs or listen to music to earn money again and again. So, I want to show you a few quick keys right here that can help you to make even more money. As you can see, I currently have 3 music players playing. You may open several tabs or listen to music to earn money. But how can you earn money from this? To begin, go to YouTube and search for music that is at least 1 hour long. This is 1 hour because the longer the music is, the more music you can play and the more money you will make, right? So right now, I'd like to give you another suggestion, which is to click on the settings button when you are ready. When I click here, you want to increase the speed by a factor of 2 because the speed will be normal by default. However, if you double the speed, to double, right click on here, you will see that your playback speed is 2, indicating that you may play the music at double the pace, implying that the more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Here's another secret. If you have a slow internet connection, or if you have a lot of people sharing the internet or Wi-Fi, you can actually switch the quality to 144p to avoid consuming too much internet. This way, you can still play the music in multiple tabs. I will show you this fantastic Chrome extension now. YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can see here. You can actually download this on Google Chrome, your computer, or your smartphone. It is completely free, which is why it is over thousands and thousands of users right now. Press the decrease button to slow down the playback speed. When you download this Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the speed. Amazing, right? As you can see, the maximum speed on YouTube is up to 2 times the normal, 1.25 by 5.75, up to 2 times the maximum speed. However, when you use these Google Chrome extensions, you can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed. Once you download the extension, you will be able to make loads of more money since you will be able to bring much music faster on both the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms. Now that we are toward the end of the video, I want to give you some bonus tips. Once again, all you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the software, or if you are using iPhone, go to the App Store and get the Current Rewards Offline Music app. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.